A short demonstration on using a Jackson 648S tube tester, and we're just going to test a ECC83 valve or a 12AX7. We're going to do two. The first one a known good one and the second one's a known weak one. So first of all we need to switch it on here and set it up according to the chart. And the chart up here for the 12AX7, the filament is set to 12.6 volts. The D circuit, which is the top one here, is A123, and the E circuit, which is the bottom one, is A45. That's all set up. The plate control is set to 35, and when we do the test we're going to press the test buttons W and X to get a reading. So we put the valve in now. Another thing about these ones, there's a switch actually here. It says normal and special. 99% of the time it's going to be in the normal position. If it needs to go into the special position, the chart here will tell you. First of all, we've put it in. It's in the test position there, but we're going to look for shorts or any leakages. First of all, we're going to actually set that line voltage correctly. So the needle is about centered. So it's about there. This is a leakage setting here. You can have it at 0 up to just over 2. So I prefer to have it at over 2 megohms. So it's in the test position now. So to look for shorts or any leakages, we're just going to rotate it and look at this neon lamp here. If it glows, it's got a short or leakage. It just flashed there. There's no leakage. It's a known good valve, so everything's fine. So we can now go ahead and put that back in the test position and actually do the quality test on it. And like I said before, for the quality test, according to the chart, it's on W and X. And you push these down together and take a reading. So there you're getting a reading of about 125, which shows us an excellent result. And this valve is a dual triode valve, so now we'll check the second triode. The second triode I know is not as strong, but it's still a very good valve. So to test the second triode, we release all these buttons here. And the chart shows that the D circuit at the top here is now on A127. So that's A127. And the E circuit is on A89. And once again, for the test results, we're going to press W and X. But also we do another test on this valve for shorts or leakages. A bit of a flash there, but that's only capacitance. So there's no shorts or leakages. So we can go ahead and put it back in the test position and actually do the quality test. So once again, we press W and X. As you can see, it's about 115 there. It's not as good as the other triode, but it's an excellent result. This has also got a life test. It's very simple. All you do, this does is drop the voltage to the filament. As you can see there, we've got about a 6.35 filament voltage. That's between pins 9 and 4. And so this one, if you look at now, it just drops the voltage to 5.74. And if we do the quality test now by pressing WX, you press this at the same time, and if that needle moves dramatically, then you know it's a bad valve. Sorry, that's my alarm going off for the meter. I'll just put it back on again, and we'll do that test again. So it's W and X, and you press this life test at the same time, and there's a little dropped about 1%, 2%, but it's an excellent valve. There's no problems with it. So I'll just take this one out now. Do the same test. It's the same valve. It's another ECC83 valve. It's a known good one. We'll just do the shorts test again anyway. And there's no leakage there. And once again, this one's doing the second triode we're testing. So once again, it's on the same settings. It's on 35 and WX to press. As you can see, that's a very weak valve. It's just gone above the good line, but still very weak. So we can actually go ahead and do the second triode, the first triode, sorry. So we'll release these buttons again. And this time for the D circuit, it's A123, and the D circuit is on A45. Once again, we just check that for leaks again. Once again, I know there's no leaks on these valves. And once again, WX to press. And once again, that's a very, very weak valve. This actually is color keyed, they call it. So there's the black, which represents the filament on the chart. The blue lettering is all these letters up here in the D circuit, which is A, B, C, and 1 to 9. And the green lettering is the E circuit, which is once again A, B, C, and 1 to 9. And then when we come to do the test, actually on these, it's the red, UVW, X, Y, Z. And the plate control is obviously red as well, which is this one here. That's all for this tester. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.